Alright, let's spice things up. Here's the story. South African hip-hop is at the crossroad and the legend Cassper Nyovest and DJ Maphorisa are calling out for a U-turn. Maphorisa dropped a bombshell. The Camp dramas gotta stop, or the genre will be left in the dust. Amapiano's killing it on the charts and hip-hop's losing its throne. Cassper's jumping on the board with a message. I said this 5 years ago, but they said I was just trying to retrieve my career. I'm still here eating, brr. Let go of the ego and build. He's shutting down haters and pushing for unity in a genre born from solidarity and storytelling. And the takes are high. Hip-hop's fighting to reclaim its spot in SA's music scene. Maphorisa's plea for collaboration is a wake-up call. Without it, the genre's potential is limited. Cassper's backing him up, urging artists to share their egos and work together. This isn't just about music, it's about community. Hip-hop brought people together and it can do it again. Cassper's message is clear, y'all doing okay, but that's not enough. It's time to level up and make some noise. The ball's in their court. Will SA Hip-Hop answer the call? With Maphorisa and Cassper leading the charge, the genre's poisoning for a comeback. Let's see if the artists listen and bring the fire.